Hi guys! I want to introduce you to my newfound love of buckwheat noodles, specifically sliced noodles. In general, I love noodles. Whether it's rice, egg, or clear noodles, you name it, I love them all. Buckwheat noodles were introduced to me as a Japanese soba noodles shaped like spaghetti, which commonly served chilled with a savory dipping sauce. I'm not a big fan. They were good, but nothing compares to these sliced noodles. They are wider in size, with some ridges that help absorb more sauce, and they have great texture, bouncy, chewy, but still delicate and taste very earthy. So good in stir fry. And in this recipe, I tossed the noodles in the sauce with hand-whipped tofu and baby bok choy. Let's make it. First, the noodles. Like pasta, it has to be cooked first. See the cooking instruction on the package, and for this particular brand, it calls for 6 minutes. So I cook the noodles for about 5 minutes and add the baby bok choy, which will take a full 2 minutes to cook. My husband likes the noodles to be cooked soft and tender. Total cooking time here is about 7 minutes. But remember, in this recipe, we're not stir frying it too much in the wok. We are simply tossing it into the sauce, which is fully cooked already. Now the sauce. This time I'm using the pickle or fermented soybean in chili oil. If you don't like spicy, look for the soybean without the chili. And I'm using extra firm tofu today. And instead of cutting it with a knife, I hand whip them into small pieces, uneven by design, so the edges can catch and absorb more sauce. And speaking of sauce, I am using my mother sauce number 9 gluten-free and vegan, the green label. I recommend 3 tablespoons at first, then taste to see if you want more intense flavor. I ended up adding another tablespoon. I'm eating vegetarian today, but my husband is not, so I chop up some crispy pork for him to add to his dish, and he loves it, and that makes me happy. Give it a try and let me know if you like or want a recipe for that crispy pork, which is not as hard as you think. To good health, good eat, cheers!